Welcome to this in-depth Excel tutorial where we'll unlock the incredible world of finding the first match value using versus lookup. In the vast landscape of Excel functionality, this is a crucial skill that every Excel user should have in their toolkit. We'll guide you through the process step by step, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to understand. So, get ready to dive into this Excel magic and take your data manipulation skills to a whole new level. First, you need to set up your data. Ensure your data is organized, with the values you want to search through in one column and the corresponding values you want to return in another. Assuming that you have a list of data in range A1:C6, and you want to find a text string, Excel, in this table, and then return its sales value. Now, it's time to use the VLOOKUP function. Select a cell where you want to display the first match value. Enter the formula, equals VLOOKUP left bracket, Excel, A1:C6, 3, 0 right bracket. Type this formula in a blank cell and then press Enter key in your keyboard. This formula should be returned the first matching value. You found the first match value using VLOOKUP. Now, let's explore an alternative method to find the first match value in Excel using the index and match functions. It's a game changer. Now, use the index and match functions. Select a cell where you want to display the first match value. Enter the formula, equals index left bracket C2, C6, match left bracket true, exact left bracket. Excel, A2, A6 right bracket, 0 double right bracket. You need to type this formula into a blank cell and then press Ctrl plus Alt plus Enter keys to change it as array formula. You'll be amazed as Excel unveils the first matching value based on your criteria. You've found the first match value using the index and match functions. In this segment, we're delving deeper into Excel's capabilities by discovering how to find the second match value using VLOOKUP. Prepare to be impressed. Before diving in, ensure your data is well organized. Your values to search through should be in one column, and the corresponding values to return in another. You need to create a helper column before the sales column firstly. Then type the following formula into cell C2. Equals A2 and COUNTIF. $, at $2. $2, A2. This formula will create unique lookup values in helper column. It's time to utilize the VLOOKUP function again. Select a cell where you want to display the nth match value. Enter the formula, equals VLOOKUP left bracket, Excel, and 2, C1, D6, 2, 0 right bracket. Excel will unveil the second or nth matching value based on your criteria. If you want to find the third matching values, just replace Excel and 2 with Excel and 3. And if you need to find the nth matching values, just change number 3 to number n. You've mastered finding the nth match value using VLOOKUP. In the final segment, we're raising the Excel bar by revealing how to find the nth match value using another formula based on the index function, the small function, the if function, and the row function to achieve the result of finding the nth matching value. Just type the following array formula into a blank cell, and then press Ctrl plus Alt plus Enter keys.